On our website, you can get PDF learning materials for free. Please visit englist.me.
Dispense.
To distribute, allocate, or deliver something to the intended recipients.
Examples:
Dispense with ceremony. Dispense justice. The pharmacist started to dispense medication to patients.
Threefold.
3 times as great or as many.
Examples:
Rise nearly threefold. Threefold increase. The price of the item was reduced threefold after the sale.
Recycle.
To sort and collect things to process them and produce valuable materials that can be used again.
Examples:
Recycle the cardboard boxes. Recycle milk packaging into new paper. We largely recycle the circuit board of cell phones because they contain a lot of valuable metals.
Blacksmith.
A smith who forges and shapes iron with a hammer and anvil.
Examples:
Blacksmith welding. Blacksmith shop. The blacksmith shaped a horseshoe on his anvil.
Apostle.
One of a group of early Christian leaders who were chosen and trained by Jesus to spread his teachings.
Examples:
Apostle Paul. An apostle of revolution. The 12 apostles were Jesus' closest followers and were chosen to spread his teachings.
Zodiac.
A band or belt of the imaginary celestial sphere divided into 12 equal parts, each named after and associated with a particular constellation. Any similar system of division or categorization based on astrological or astronomical concepts.
Examples:
Zodiac stone. Zodiac circle. Her horoscope predicted a surprise encounter with a stranger, which aligned with her zodiac sign.
Syllable.
A single unit of spoken language, more significant than a phoneme containing a vowel sound and usually one or more consonants.
Examples:
Syllable structure. Single syllable. Emphasize the second syllable when pronouncing it.
Interstice.
A small space or gap between parts or objects, often within a larger structure. A break or interval between events or periods.
Examples:
Cracked interstice. Fill in the interstice. There was a small interstice between the two buildings, just enough space to squeeze through.